amazing. Thank you, my dear friends, for giving us a message of caring, sharing, and celebrating the ray of hope and joy and spread the same all over the world. On behalf of SFS family, we would like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you once again. Enjoy the evening.
Good evening, everyone. I Madhu and I Pramad of class 10 are here to carry on with the formal function of Euphoria 24 Incredible India.
Before we invite the guests to the stage, I would like to direct your attention towards the stage to listen to the school annual report 2024. A school report reflects the life of the school with the academic and co-curricular activities.
May I request our principal to come onto the stage to initiate the annual school report followed by the visual representation of it. Let us sit back and enjoy the beautiful moments of the school.
The president of today's event is Excellency Right Reverend Dr. Henry D'Souza, the Bishop of Ballari Diocese. The chief guest, Sri Mahesh Ballagiti, Assistant Commissioner, Koppal District. Guest of honor, Sri Lal Sunil, Senior Vice President, JSW Vijaynagar, Ballari. Our guest of honor, Father Aragyanathan, Director and the Parish Priest of Ballari, Arogya Mata Shrine, Ballari. Reverend Father Matthew Mamala, the manager of SFS School, Koppal. Reverend Father Jojo, the principal of SFS High School, Koppal. Head boy, head girl, junior head boy, junior head girl, invited guests, dear fathers, sisters, teachers, parents, well-wishers, and my dear Desalites. We, the missionaries of St. Francis de Sales, also known as the Francilians, commit ourselves to the apostolate of education, apostolate of formation for mission, social apostolate, and innovative ministries. Since 2 decades, our SFS ICC school has been dedicated to the core in making a profound impact on our society. We have successfully met the evolving expectations of our stakeholders, harnessing resources to equip our students with a vibrant and meaningful education. Our commitment to the ICC standard has yielded outstanding results, always reaching higher not only in academics but also exposing life of values. A big thank you to our committed faculty, enthusiastic parents, and talented students for being an integral part of SFS family. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಪೋಷಕವೃಂದವರೇ, ನನ್ನ ಆ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವರದಿ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಈ ಒಂದು LED ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತೋರಿಸಲು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳುವುದು ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಕಳೆದ 2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಪೋಷಕರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವರು ಆತ್ಮೀಯರು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳು SFS ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕುಟುಂಬವಾಗಿ ದುಡಿದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪೋಷಕರಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಪೋಷಕರಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪೋಷಕರು ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ದುಡಿದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರಿಂದವರಿಗೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕೈ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಹಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಚಿರಋಣಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾವು ಎಂದು ಶಾಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಶಾಲೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಒಂದು ದೇವಾಲಯ. ಈ ದೇವಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ದೇಗುಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲದು. ನಾನು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಕಳೆದ 2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಈ SFS ಶಾಲೆ ICSE ಹಾಗೂ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೋಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಖ್ಯ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬದುಕಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ. ಸಂತ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಸ್ ಡಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ನುಡಿಯುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್, ಬಿ ಜೆಂಟಲ್. ನೀನು ಮನುಷ್ಯನಾಗಿರು, ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಬದುಕು. ಇದು ಸಂತ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಸ್ ಡಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ನುಡಿದಂತ ಮಾತು. ಈ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ನನ್ನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದವರಿಗೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪೋಷಕ ವೃಂದಿಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವರದಿಯನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಈ LED ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Hello everyone, I am Asif, the head boy of SFS ICC school.
And I am Aditi Jogi, the head girl of SFS ICC school.
Aditi, what's special today?
Today we are here to celebrate our 20th annual day and we are here to present our school annual report for the academic year 2024-25.
Oh, so here are the headlines of the academic year. Teachers Orientation Program,
Bihar,
Environment Day,
Vivad,
Introduction of Robotics,
CCA,
Sankalp,
International Yoga Day,
Smriti Sangama,
State Level Competition,
Managers Day,
Achievements,
Uttar Karnataka ICSE Principal Meet,
the Dieselites Utsav,
Independence Day,
Kids Carnival,
Inter-School Sports Meet,
Teachers Day,
Kalyana Karnataka Utsav,
Inter-School Competition,
Gandhi Jayanti,
School Picnics,
Karnataka Rajyotsava,
Sandia Dieselites Expo 2024,
Kids Annual Sports Meet,
Children's Day,
Ace of Dieselites,
Kanakadas Jayanti,
Uttar Karnataka Zonal Level Literary Fest,
Samvidhan Divas.
Merit Award.
Now our student council is going to proceed along with us.
To begin with, Teachers Orientation Program. Our academic year began on a high note with a one-day teacher orientation program on May 27, 2024. Expertly facilitated by Reverend Father Arogyanathan, Director and Parish Priest of Arogyamata Shrine Ballari. Vihan, an inaugural ceremony. On May 29, 2024, we proudly launched our new academic year with an inaugural ceremony, led by our esteemed chief guest, Reverend Father R.K. Swami, Parish Priest and Administrator of SFS School, Kukunu. This milestone marked the beginning of an exciting journey of our 1,490 students. Our 11th batch of students secured an outstanding result in the ICSE examination, with 32 students scoring 90% and above. Gautami, our student, topped the list with an impressive 98% in the examination held in 2024. Next comes Environment Day. We marked the Environment Day on June 5, 2024 with fun-filled celebrations. Mr. Ramesh Devendra Ballutigi, a specialist in forest farming, joined us as a chief guest. The event included a rally, sapling distribution, and there was an inter-house dance competition which inspired the students to become environmentally conscious citizens.
Next comes Sankalp, the school parliament elections and English teacher ceremony. The school were conducted in a fair and transparent manner, ensuring the democratic selections of our student leaders. The newly elected officials took their oaths of office during investiture ceremony held on 12th June. Our students who are newly elected as leaders are as follows: Head Boy Asif and Head Girl Aditi Jogi of Class 9, Vice Head Boy Pradeep and Vice Head Girl Vidita of Class 8, Junior Head Boy Abhinav Churi and Junior Head Girl Archisa of Class 5, Junior Vice Head Boy Mosh and Junior Vice Head Girl Abdija of Class 4. The ceremony was presided over by Mr. Shekhappa Haiful, a distinguished ex-army officer. He congratulated our students who are newly elected leaders to take up their charges and look forward for their contribution in the school community. Now let us move on to International Yoga Day. Our school observed International Yoga Day on 21st June 2024 with a special event that highlighted on the importance of yoga in maintaining a healthy lifestyle and practiced various yogasanas. This event aimed to promote physical, mental and emotional well-being among our students.
Hi, I am Pranit, Vice Head Boy of SFS ICSE School. We won KG inauguration. A warm welcome given to KG. On June 6, 2024, we rolled out the red carpet for our little ones as they began their KG journey. Dr. Sujata Pawadi Gaudi was the chief guest of the day. Introduction of robotics. As a part of our commitment to providing a holistic education, we introduced robotics in our curriculum this academic year. This initiative aims to foster creativity, critical thinking and problem-solving skills in our students. CCA. In order to bring out comprehensive development of a child, co-curricular activities like keyboard, guitar, skating, painting, Vedic maths, tabla, vocal singing, classical dance, cinematic dance, football, volleyball, badminton and Kho-Kho classes began. The inaugural ceremony was held on 11th June 2024 under the guidance of our principal, Reverend Father Jabamalai.
Hello everyone, I am Vidita Mehta, Vice Head Girl of SFS ICSE School, Koppal. So let's begin with Smriti Sangama. The SFS ICSE Alumni Association organized the Smriti Sangama annual alumni meet on 13th July 2024 to bring together former students, faculty and staff to reconnect, reminisce and celebrate their shared experiences. This year's event witnessed an impressive turnout with more than 300 alumni attending from various batches. Father Saji, the principal of SFS School Kukunur, was the chief guest of the day. 9th batch of SFS ICSE had organized the event for the day. Let's move on to state level competition. The SFS has achieved outstanding success at state level competition held in July. Our students showcased their athletic talents in football, badminton and Kho-Kho, competing against top teams from across the state. Football competitions were organized by ESCI Sports Authority of India, Bengaluru, and badminton competitions were organized by Greenwood School, Bangalore, and the Kho-Kho competitions for girls and boys held in Chikaballapura on July 17, 18 and 29 respectively. Our principal, Reverend Father Jabamalai, whose presence significantly boosted our confidence. Our students, Prataksha of 6th Aster and Vidini of 7th Aster, have been shortlisted for national level Kho-Kho competition.
Hi, I am Abhinav Churi, Junior Rank of SFS ICSE School. Managers Day. On July 15th, our SFS ICSE family came together for a joyful celebration, that is, the birthday of our esteemed manager and administrator, Reverend Father Matthew Mamla. The occasion was marked with love, care and warm wishes from the entire school community. Father Matthew Mamla expressed his heartfelt gratitude to everyone for making his special day a truly unforgettable day for him. Let's move on to achievements. We take great pride in announcing that our respected principal of SFS ICSE School, Reverend Father Jabamalai, who has elected as the convener of Uttar Karnataka State ICSE Schools on 25th July 2024. This prestigious appointment is a true testament dedication towards educational sector.
Hi, I am Asamaksha Pradhan, the junior head girl of our school. Uttar Karnataka ICSE Principals Meet. A meeting of principals from ICSE schools across Uttar Karnataka was held on August 3rd. The event brought together 14 principals, providing a platform for collaborative discussion, knowledge sharing, and strategic planning. Let's move on to the next. The Dieselite Utsav. The inaugural ceremony of Dieselite Utsav, our annual cultural extravaganza, took place on August 13, 2024. We were privileged to have Arjun Idgi, the renowned Golden Tag star, as our chief guest. The 3 days event, which was held from 13th to 15th of August 2024, featured an array of individual and group competitions. Ruby House emerged as the cultural winners, with Angle House securing as runner-up.
My name is Sirisha. I'm studying in UKG after Kids Carnival on 24th August 2024. Our kindergarten descendants enjoyed a wonderful day at the Kids Carnival, specially organized for them. Mr. Vaisham Payan, Education Coordinator, PEO Office, Koppal, graciously attended as a chief guest. The event aimed to foster creativity, teamwork, and sportsmanship among our young learners. Thank you.
Hi, I am Mesh, Junior Vice Head Boy of SFS ICSE School, Koppal, Independence Day. Our school community came together to proudly commemorate India's 78th Independence Day filled with patriotic enthusiasm and fervor. The celebration was a testament to our students and staff's deep respect for the nation's rich history and cultural heritage. Inter-School Sports Meet. Our school proudly hosted the Uttar Karnataka ICSE Inter-School Sports Meet on August 25, 2024. The event brought together 14 schools featuring exciting competitions in badminton, football, and kho-kho. Our students' hard work and dedication paid off as they secured third position overall, making us incredibly proud.
Hello, I am Abdija, Junior Vice Head Girl of SFS ICSE School. Teachers Day. September 5th marks a special day at our school as we celebrated Teachers Day. The students of Class 9 designed an impressive entertainment program demonstrating their admiration for their teachers. Our school management recognized the outstanding contributions of our educators, presenting them with gifts, certificates of appreciation. Kalyan Karnataka Utsav. Our school embarked on a cultural journey as we celebrated Kalyan Karnataka G on September 17, 2024. The Dieselites presented a mesmerizing cultural program, weaving a tapestry of tradition, heritage, and creativity.
Hello everyone, I am Alex Wasan, the captain of Emerald. To begin with, inter-school competition. The SFS Academy in Bengaluru hosted a quiz competition on September 19, providing a platform for students from SFS schools across Southwest Indian province to showcase their knowledge and skills. Our school was proudly represented by 2 talented students from class 9. Moving on to Gandhi Jayanti. Our students commemorated Gandhi Jayanti with great enthusiasm, paying tribute to the father of the nation. The highlight of the celebration was the debut performance of our Dieselites at DC office, a moment of immense pride for our school.
Hi everyone, I am Shreya, the captain of Ruby House. To begin with, school picnic. Our classes 10 and 9 students set out on an exciting adventure to Delhi, Manali, Puducherry and Chennai. This expedition enabled them to explore India's rich culture tapestry, visit historic sites and forge lasting bonds with their peers. The trip also included a visit to the Indian Parliament, offering a glimpse into the nation's legislative hub. Now, let's move on to Karnataka Rajyotsava. A special remembrance of personalities of indomitable spirit was brought back on 4th November, Karnataka Rajyotsava Day. Dr. Mantesh Malangowda, retired principal, Koppal, was the chief guest of the day. The celebration was conducted with lots of passion.
My name is Kushal. I am studying in UKG Tulip. Kids Annual Sport Meet of Kindergarten visitors gathered for an action-packed Kids Annual Sports Camp 13th November. The young athletes showcased their talents, enthusiasm and teamwork by participating in various exciting sports events. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bhavi and I am the captain of Topaz House. Scientia D-Slides Expo 2024. Our school's KG section organized Scientia D-Slides Expo 2024, which was held on November 9, 2024 and was a resounding success. This comprehensive exhibition combined innovative projects with a robotics exhibition. Our school's young innovators wowed the audience with their innovative projects and models, demonstrating a deep understanding of various subjects. We were delighted to have Mr. Devendra Jilli, District Secretary, Karnataka Jnana Vigyan Samiti Koppal as our chief guest. His presence motivated our students to pursue their passions. Now, let's move on to Ace of Dieselites. Our school's annual sports meet, Ace of Dieselites, was held on October 29, 2024. We were delighted to have Mr. Rangnath Narsappa Raichur, Sports Authority of India, STC Dharwad, as our chief guest. This sports meet showcased exceptional athletic talent, where Emerald House ultimately claiming the winner's title and Ruby House securing the runner-up position. Now next we have Kanakadasa Jayanti. On November 18, 2024, our school observed Kanakadasa Jayanti, honoring the life and legacy of the revered saint. Our Dieselites deliver a poignant message reflecting the profound teachings of the saint and their enduring impact on our lives.
My name is P.L.S. I'm studying in UKG Jasmine. Children's Day. On November 14th, our school transformed into a magical world as we celebrated Children's Day. Our talented teachers mesmerized our Dieselites with a spectacular performance to make the day even more special. A gift was presented to each student as a symbol of love and appreciation. Thank you.
Hi, I am Srish Reddy, the captain of Sapphire House. To begin with, Uttar Karnataka Zonal Level Literary Fest. Our school's talented students excelled at the Uttar Karnataka ICSE School Zonal Level Literary Fest, held on 23rd November 2024 at Shantiniketan Public School, Hospet. Their impressive wins in debate, declamation and drawing competitions brought pride and recognition to our institution. Moving on to Samvidhan Divas. On 26 November 2024, our school marked the Samvidhan Divas, a tribute to the adoption of our nation's constitution. The event shed light on the significance of the constitution and preamble, inspiring our students to appreciate the values and principles enshrined in these foundational documents. Next comes the Merit Award. Our SFS ICC School Koppal has been recognized as one of the dynamic schools receiving India School Merit Award 2024, a prestigious recognition for excellence in education, co-curricular activities and sports. Today, India's premier education news channel has recognized and awarded on 10th December 2024 during the 12th National Conference on K-12 Leadership and India School Merit Award.
Hi, I am Mrs. Revendi, the General Coordinator of the school. At the outset, our principal has foregrounded the value-based teaching-learning process. We, the SFS family, believe in holistic society of culturally integrated, intellectually awakened, socially committed, and compassionately human.
I am Mrs. Trupti, Higher Primary Coordinator. Our Dieselites have believed the concise glimpse of life in school. We believe in the dictum, hard work has no substitute. The testament for this is our school getting India School Merit Award for its dynamism.
I am Mrs. Priya, Primary Coordinator of our school. God Almighty was our potter, who always guided us in our endeavor, and we will continue to move forward in escalating our school to a next level. I avail this opportunity to thank Almighty for showering His abundant blessings on our temple of knowledge.
Hi, I am Mrs. Maria, KG Coordinator. Heartfelt thanks to the management, parents, well-wishers who have boosted our efforts to make our school one of the best schools in North Karnataka. Thank you.
Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
To come on to the stage.
I cordially welcome the president of this event, His Excellency Right Reverend Dr. Henry D'Souza, the Bishop of Ballari Diocese.
Chief Guest of the function, Shri Mahesh Malgitti, Assistant Commissioner, Koppal District.
Shri Ram Sunil, Senior Vice President, Administration, JSW, Vijayanagar, Ballari.
The guest of honor, Reverend Father Arogyanathan, Director and Parish Priest of Ballari Arogya Mata Shrine, Ballari.
Reverend Father Matthew Mamala, the Manager of SFS Schools, Koppal.
Reverend Father Jojo, the Principal of SFS High School, Koppal.
Reverend Father Jabamale, our Principal.
Head boy Asif and head girl Aditi.
Junior Head Boy Abhinav and Junior Head Girl Archisa.
Thank you,
dignitaries.
Welcome joy with an open heart and even more open mind. Welcome every day with a smile. A smile is a welcome sight that invites people in. Now I call upon Sahana and Muhammad Afan to do the same.
He undertook the initiative of housing scheme for the year 2010 flood affected families. 9 religious houses were founded. He is the recipient of Alvas Nudi Shri Award for commendable service in Kannada language on 3rd December 2017 Synod. We are indeed blessed to have you amidst us.
I extend a hearty welcome His Excellency. May I request the General Coordinator of the school, Remindi Ma'am, to give a floral welcome to the President of today's event.
The fragrance of flower spreads only direction of wind, but the goods of a person spreads in no direction. Amidst us, we have an inspiring personality, our Chief Guest, Sri Mahesh Malgitti, Assistant Commissioner, Koppal District. He hails from Malgitti village, Kushtagi Taluk, Koppal. He was born on 22nd July 1981. He got 21st rank in 5th standard and got selected for Sainik School, Vijaypur. he secured 20th rank in NTSC examination.
He joined Indian Army in 2005. He became a lieutenant in an iconic light infantry in Maratha Regiment 8th Battalion. He has rendered his selfless service in Kargil, Delhi, Rajasthan, Assam and many other parts of the country as lieutenant, captain and field major. The then Army Chief General V.K. Singh honored him on Independence Day in 2009 with Army Chief Appreciation Letter on account of his many successful missions as company commander in Assam.
After retirement, he joined in JT CBSE school Mundargi as the principal. He not only taught mathematics but also inculcated discipline in the students. By seeing his dedication, Sri Jagat Guru Tontada Siddhalinga Swamiji felicitated him with the Best Teacher Award.
During his service in Commercial Taxes Department, he wrote Gazetted Probationers Exam in 2015 conducted by Karnataka Public Service Commission, thereby appointed as Assistant Commissioner. As KAS officer, he has served as COVID-19 Special Officer in BBMP, Bangalore.
Joint Managing Director, Belgavi Smart City Limited, Assistant Commissioner Vijaypur. At present, father is working as Assistant Commissioner of Koppal District.
Respected sir, I welcome you in my humble words to this prestigious program. May I request the Staff Secretary, Sangmeshwar sir, to welcome our guest with a bouquet.
Whoever follows me will not walk in darkness, but will have the light of life.
Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see beauty that makes this heart adore you. Dark over last makes me
Arogyanath, dear Reverend Fathers, Matthew, Jabamale, Jojo, dear Reverend Fathers, sisters, parents, teachers, students. It gives me immense joy to be with you all this evening. ಮಂದಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ನಾನು ಇಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ. ಅವರು ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತು ಸಂತೋಷ, ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ತಿಂತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ಹೇಳಿದ, ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಮಸಾಲ ದೋಸೆ ತಿಂತೇನೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ. ಆದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ತಲೆ ತಗ್ಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡೇ ಇದ್ದ, ಭಾವುಕನಾದ. ಆಗ ಈ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೇಳಿದರು, ಏನಪ್ಪ ನಿನಗೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬೇಡವೋ? ಸರ್ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬೇಕು. ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡು? ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಮಬ್ಬಾಗುತ್ತಿವೆ, ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಸರಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಳು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಲಿಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಹಾಗಿರುವಾಗ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡಕದ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ತರುತ್ತೇನೆ ಸರ್. ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ತರಬೇಕಾ? ನಿನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪ ತರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ ಮತ್ತು ತಲೆ ತಗ್ಗಿಸಿದ ಮತ್ತು ಹತ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪ ತೀರಿ ಹೋಗಿ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟೈಲರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದರೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡಕ ತರಲು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಗ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತು, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಈಗ ನಿನಗೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, 100 ಮತ್ತು 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು. ನಿನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡಕ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದು, ಮುಂದೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾಗು. ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದರೆ ನನ್ನ 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ನನಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ. ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಪಾಠ ಮುಂದುವರಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಯಿತು. ಈ ಹುಡುಗ ಓದಿಕೊಂಡು ಮುನ್ನಡೆದ, ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ದಿನ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗುವ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಾಸ್ಟ್ರ ಆ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಅದೊಂದು ದಿನ 2-3 ವಾಹನಗಳು ಬಂದವು. ಅದರ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಂದವರೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಹತ್ರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸಿದರು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಯಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾಸ್ಟ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಮಾಸ್ಟ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಅವರು ಓಡಿ ಬಂದರು ಈ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ, ನೋಡಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಂತ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಯಿತು, ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಆದರೂ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತರು. ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದರು. ಈ ಮಾಸ್ಟ್ರ ಕಾಲು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರು. ನಂತರ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಸರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಆ 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡಕ ತಂದೆ, ಓದಿದೆ, ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾದೆ, ಇಂದು ಈ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡಿಯುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ. ಪ್ರೇರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ತರಗತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ನಾಯಕರು, ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳು, ಕಲಾವಿದರು, ಸಾಹಿತಿಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೈತರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಗದ ನಾಯಕರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಣಿಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಏನು ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ಬರೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಷಕರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪೋಷಕರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿರೋದು 8-6 ಗಂಟೆಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ, ಉಳಿದ ಸಮಯ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಡನೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀರಿ, ಏನು ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀರಿ, ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನನ್ನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾರೆ? ಮೊದಲು ಕಾಣಬೇಕಾದ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಹತೋಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ದು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ದಯಮಾಡಿ, ಕ್ಷಮಿಸು, ಮತ್ತು ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು, ದಯಮಾಡಿ, ತಪ್ಪಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕು. ಮುಂದೆ ಅವರು ಅಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಎರಡನೇದಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಲು, ಸಹಕರಿಸಲು, ಸಹಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸಲು. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲವಾದರೆ ಅವರೇನು ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಾರೆ? ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಾರೆ? ಮನೆ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ, ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಿಸ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಸಿಪಾಯಿಗಳಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಎದ್ದಿದ್ದರೆ, ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಓದು ಮಾಡುವುದಾದರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವುದಾದರೆ, ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಾದರೆ, ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರುವುದಾದರೆ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಅಂಥ ಇಂಥವರು ಆದರೆ ಅವರೆಂಥವರಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆನಪಿಡಿ, ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತೇವೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತೇವೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಟ್ಟುತ್ತೇವೆ ಅದು ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅವರು ಮುಟ್ಟುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಹಿರಿಯದಾದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಮುನ್ನಡೆಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಕವಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಇದು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಯಲಬುರ್ಗಾದಿಂದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿದ್ದಯ್ಯ ಪುರಾಣಿಕ್ ಬಂದವರು, ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ ಇದು ಯಲಬುರ್ಗದಿಂದ. ಅವರ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ KS ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೊಡಗಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಉತ್ತಮ ಕವಿಯಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಕವನಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನಂತ? ಓದಿ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣನಾಗು. ಕೇಳಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ, ಬರೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಓದಿ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣನಾಗು, ಕಾದಿ ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯನಾಗು, ನೀನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗು, ಆದರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಮಾನವನಾಗು. ಎರಡನೇದಾಗಿ ನೀನು ಹಿಂದೂ ಆಗು, ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನನಾಗು, ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತನಾಗು, ಬೌದ್ಧನು, ಜೈನನು ಏನೂ ಆಗು, ಚಾರ್ವಾಕನೇ ಆಗು, ಆದರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಮಾನವನಾಗು. ಪ್ರಿಯರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ಪಾಠ ಇದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಧರ್ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಲು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂದಿರ ಮಸೀದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚುಗಳನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಲು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಆಚರಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಲು, ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಘನತೆ ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಬಾಳಲು ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಪರಿಸರದ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ, ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಸಾಮರಸ್ಯ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮವರು ಉತ್ತಮ ಮಾನವರಾಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಉತ್ತಮ ಮಾನವರಾದರೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳಾಗ್ತವೆ. ಉತ್ತಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಸಮಾಜ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಉತ್ತಮ ಸಮಾಜ ಆದರೆ ಈ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಘನತೆಯಿಂದ ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಮಂದಿರಕ್ಕೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಶಬಾಷ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದವರು ಮುಂದಿನ ಸಾಧಕರಾಗಲಿ, ಅವರು ನಾಯಕರಾಗಲಿ, ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾಗಲಿ, ಕಲಾವಿದರಾಗಲಿ, ಸಾಹಿತಿಗಳಾಗಲಿ, ರೈತರಾಗಲಿ, ಕೃಷಿಕರಾಗಲಿ, ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರಾಗಲಿ, ಈ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುವವರಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನೆರೆದ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್. ಹೇಳಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್. Congratulations and God bless you.
Dear students of class 10 who have excelled well in their 10th board examination 2023-24.
With great pleasure, I request His Excellency Bishop to felicitate our school toppers and the subject toppers of class 10th ICSE Board Examination 2024. The school topper for class 10 ICSE Board Examination 2024 is Gautami. She is even the subject topper of Kannada 99, Geography 98, Maths 97 and Physics 96. She is getting a cash prize sponsored by Shekhappa Harijan, the ex-army official, Gudageri Koppal. She is all subject. I request Gautami to come along with her parents to receive the award.
The second topper of class 10 ICSE Board Examination 2024 is Disha Tamrali. She is even the subject topper of Literature 99, Geography 98 and Computer 100. She is getting a cash prize sponsored by Focus Smart Koppal. She has also been honored with a certificate of merit from Council for Indian School Certificate Examination for Computer subject. I request Disha to come along with her parents to receive the award.
2024 is Ashish G. Chandak. She is even the subject topper of Hindi 97, History and Civics 100 and Computer 100. He is getting a cash prize sponsored by Hypermart Koppal. He has also been honored with a Certificate of Merit from Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination for Computer subject. I request Ashish to come along with his parents to receive the award.
Alina V. Teresa, the subject topper of History Civics 100, Geography 98. I request Alina to come along with her parents to receive the award.
Pradeep Itagi is a subject topper of English Language 98 and Biology 100. I request Pradeep to come along with his parents to receive the award. Kanishk N. Jain, the subject topper of Computer 100, History Civics 100. He has also been honored with the Certificate of Merit from Council for Indian School Certificate Examination for Computer subject. I request Kanish to come along with his parents to receive the award. Bhuvan S. Harlapur is subject topper of History Civics 100. I request Bhuvan to come along with his parents to receive the award. Chaitra, the subject topper of History Civics 100. I request Chaitra to come along with her parents to receive the award. G. Sai Spurti is subject topper of History Civics 100. I request Spurti to come along with her parents to receive the award. Kodli Divija, the subject topper of Biology 100. I request Divija to come along with her parents to receive the award. Raksha Ramesh Hagirdar is subject topper of Computer 100. She has also been honored with a Certificate of Merit from Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination for Computer subject. I request Raksha to come along with her parents to receive the award. Samad Suresh Hakandi, the subject topper of History Civics 100. I request Samad to come along with his parents to receive the award. Sindhu Bomanar is subject topper of Kannada 99. She has also been honored with a Certificate of Merit from Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination for Kannada subject. I request Sindhu to come along with her parents to receive the award. Pooja White, the subject topper of Kannada 99. She has also been honored with a Certificate of Merit from Council for Indian School Certificate Examination for Kannada subject. I request Pooja to come along with her parents to receive the award.
Shri 100. I request Nagraj to come along with his parents to receive the award. Harshita B, the subject topper of History Civics 100. I request Harshita to come along with her parents to receive the award. Prajwal is the subject topper of History Civics 100. I request Prajwal to come along with his parents to receive the award. Prince Vasant, the subject topper of History Civics 100. I request Prince to come along with his parents to receive the award. Sahana Gadagi is the subject topper of Biology 100. I request Sahana to come along with her parents to receive the award. Vishal Singh, the subject topper of History Civics 100. I request Vishal to come along with his parents to receive the award. Thank you, His Excellency. May I request our Principal, Reverend Father Jabamalai, our Manager, Reverend Father Matthew, and our Reverend Father Jojo to felicitate our President with memento, fruit basket and a shawl as a sign of respect and appreciation.
And leave a trail. Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. So, I would now like to request our guest of honor, Shri Ralph Sunil, Senior Vice President, Administration, JSW, Vijayanagar, Ballari, to share a few words with us.
Good evening to everybody, respected Shri Mahesh, Father Jabamale, Father Nathan, other people, the head girl and the head boy of both the schools. You are the big people of the schools. All the parents, all the teachers and faculty who are making so much of noise and appreciation for all your principals, all the children who are here, all the non-teaching faculty and everybody who is here, wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year at the beginning. I am very happy to be here. In fact, me and my wife also is here. First of all, we are very impressed with the programs and the conduct and how this program is going, like a show that is international. So congratulations to Father Javamalai, all the teachers, all the children, really meticulous. Everything is so timed and there is no gaps. Amazing. So congrats to everybody and all the small children who performed. It really brought me back a lot of memories. All of us have gone to school, na? All who have gone to school, please raise your hand. Few people didn't raise their hand only. What we enjoyed most in our school days, especially parents and elders who are there. What we enjoyed? We were the most happy people during our school days, yes? If yes, clap your hand loudly. More louder if you're happy. Happiness was the biggest element during our school days because we were enjoying lot of things, including sharing, caring, fun, studies, which we should never forget in our life. Studies make us to go to the next level. So children and parents, the spirit of Christmas and the spirit of growing up is always to share happiness. Don't miss the opportunity to share happiness with each other. You know, when we were in school, if the children got chocolate, or when we go home back, if your mother made good meals, or if your father bought you a gift, that was the biggest happiness in our life. I am sure all of us remember all this. So the biggest gift we can give to everybody in this world is happiness. So I want to give a small homework to all the children and all the parents who are here. Are you ready for homework? Not school homework. Very small thing. From tomorrow or from today onwards, your homework is before you sleep, make just 5 people happy in a day. Easy or very difficult? Very easy or very difficult? Children, you can make your parents happy. Every time you go home, you only play on the mobile, go play with the friends. Just say, hello mommy, you are so beautiful, you are making good food. Or you can tell your daddy, I love you. So many things. Or you can tell your friends, homework is make 5 people happy. And imagine 5 people, each one of you are making happy. If there are 2,000 people here, how many people we will make happy? Just imagine yourself. World will become a better place. Children and parents, especially and the faculty and the management of the school, today you have come upon a theme called Incredible India. Euphoria. It is truly correct for today's India. India is going to greater heights in every single aspect of the economy of the sector. If you take agriculture, we are growing very high. If you take finance and economy, we are growing very high. If you see industries, you see around Koppal, you see around North Karnataka, you see it is growing very high. You see IT, it is growing very high. Every sector is growing high, including sports. Who became the world champion day before yesterday? Yesterday. Who became the world champion? It is very much from our own South India. Gukesh became the world champion, and if you saw the video clip on WhatsApp, he started from a very young age, and he said when he was 5 or 6 years old, he told, I will become a world champion. So we are in Incredible India. Only dream and put your efforts to make the dreams come true. In the efforts towards dream come true, please take care of your schooling, take care what your teachers say, take care what your parents say, and you will become shining stars. Don't miss the opportunity, and at every level, not only in studies but all around. Sports is there, talent is there, culturals is there, so many things are there. I am coming from JSW. We have an Olympic stadium there. I have children from 6 years to 25 years who are training there, who go to Olympics. And all of them bring medals to India at various competitions. And you have a lot of children here who can do the same thing. So rightly, as you said, Incredible India is waiting for all of you to make you big, seize the opportunity. But during the journey, do not forget respect, love, and good attitude. With these words, I will not take much time. Once again, I wish all of you, all the children especially, all the faculty especially, all the management of the school, and all the parents, all the very best. And probably in the next 5 years, 10 years, we wish to see some great talent, great personalities coming out of SFS school that will make our country, our Koppal, our Karnataka, our whole society very proud. Once again, wish you all a very merry and happy Christmas and a happy New Year, and congratulations to all of you. Thank you and good night.
KG.
Nishvi K of Pre-KG.
Abhinav Telagadimat of LKG.
Ganavi of LKG.
Shriyan N. Redder of UKG.
Kashvi Mali Patil of UKG.
Aman Noor Basha of UKG.
Nutana R of UKG.
Sadhvini of UKG.
Virish K of UKG.
Avani of UKG.
Shashavalli of UKG.
Tarun Ravichandra Olekar of UKG.
Shravya of UKG.
Prakhar Tiwari of First Standard.
Rushvi K of Second Standard.
Tanmayi of Third Standard.
Sanjana of Fifth Standard.
Vaishnavi of Sixth Standard.
Sanat G. Belgal of 7th Standard.
Shrishti P. Sali of 8th Standard.
Sakshi M. Govinkov of 9th Standard. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors.
May I request our principal and our manager to honor Shri Raj Sunil with the memento and a shawl.
for the purpose of reckoning time over extended periods.
Here I request the president of today's event, Right Reverend Dr. Henry D'Souza, to release our school magazine, Vistas 2024, A Pleasing View, and our chief guest, Shri Mahesh Malgitti, to release our school calendar.
Here, you can witness a SFS robot carrying the
is the capacity to translate vision into reality.
It is lifting a person's vision to high heights, the raising of a person's performance to a higher standard, the building of a personality beyond its normal limitations.
These words stand apt when it comes to Father Arokyanathan. May I take the privilege to invite Father to address the gathering.
ಭಾಷಣ ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಭಾಷಣ ಅಂದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಫಾದರ್ ಜಮ್ಮಾಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳುವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದರು, 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ 3 ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಈ 2 ನಿಮಿಷವನ್ನು ಕಳೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಮನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲಕ ಪೋಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಅತಿಥಿ ವೃಂದದವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಮನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಒಂದು 20ನೇ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವದ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿರುವ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಮಂಡಳಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಫಾದರ್ ಜಪಮಾಲೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ SFS ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ರು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಬ್ಬರು ಪೇರೆಂಟು ಆ ಮಗುವನ್ನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂತಿದ್ದ ಫಾದರ್ ಜಪಮಾಲೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಇಡೀ ಚೇರನ್ನು ಅಲುಗಾಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರತಿ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ಈ ಒಂದು SFS ಕುಟುಂಬದ ತಂದೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವರ ಈ ನೇತೃತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸಲಾಂ. ಎರಡನೇದಾಗಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪಾಲಕ ಪೋಷಕರಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಜೆಯ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲನೆಯದಾಗಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರು ಹಂತ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಸಣ್ಣದರಿಂದಲೇ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡುವ ರೀತಿ, ಅವರು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುವ ಆಟದ ಸಾಮಾನುಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬಹಳ ಜ್ಞಾನವಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಗು ಒಂದು ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸುವುದು ಏನನ್ನು? ಗನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕಾರು. ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗುವಿನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಲು ಏನೇನೋ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆವು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗುವಿನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಡವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪೆನ್ನುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗಿಟಾರನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಟವಾಡುವಂತಹ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದೇ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿಡಿ. ಎರಡನೆಯದಾಗಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವಾಗ ಅನೇಕ ಗುಣಗಳಿವೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಒಂದು ಗುಣ ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್, ಗೌರವ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜ ಗೌರವರಹಿತ ಸಮಾಜವಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಪಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನೇ ದೂರ ಹಾಕುವ, ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿಯರಿಗೆ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇರುವ, ಹಿರಿಯರನ್ನು ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಚಲ್ತಾ ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಭಾವನೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದುದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೆಳೆಯುವಾಗಲೇ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವ, ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವ ಒಂದು ಗುಣವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುತ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಈ ಗೌರವ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಗೌರವವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ತಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದ ಮೇಲೆ, ತಮ್ಮ ಯೋಚನೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ, ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವದ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೌರವ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೌರವ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಿರಿಯರ ಮೇಲೆ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೌರವ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡುವಾಗ ಇತರರ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾನೂನು ಪಾಲನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ನಾಳೆಯ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದುದರಿಂದ ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯತ್ತ ಒಯ್ಯುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಶಬಾಷ್ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಲು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅವರು ಉತ್ತಮ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯುತ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಿ, ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾಗಿ, ತಮಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಇತರರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನಕರವಾದಂತಹ ಗೌರವ ನೀಡುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹಾರೈಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Here are the Decelites who have got 100% attendance for the academic year 23-24. To begin with,
Yashas R. Vakrani of class LKG Tulip.
Mumnavi from UKG Astor.
Shreyas M. of class 4th Astor.
Shashank Verma from 4th Astor.
Arjun of class 4th Jasmine. Thank you, dear Father. May I request our principal and manager to hand over the memento and bless the shawl as a token of love to Father Arokyanathan.
It's time to acknowledge the talent of our brimming buddies. May I request Yashas and Sahana Patil to announce the cultural champions. May I request our manager, Reverend Father Matthew Mamla, to give away the champions.
B. Nishma from kindergarten pre-KG.
Category 1, Sunmit of 2nd Tulip.
Category 3, Samruddhi SI of 4th Tulip.
Category 3, Yashvi Raval of 6th Tulip.
Category 4, Tanmay of 7th Standard.
Thank you, dear Father. May I request our principal, Father Jabamalai, and Father Joju to honor our manager, Father Matthew, with a shawl and a food basket.
Here are the Decelites who have excelled in sports and games. From kindergarten, Samrat. From category 1, Sunmate of class 2nd Tulip. Sayeda Madia Naz of First Tulip. From category 2, Jita of 4 Tulip. Naluri Shri Bhavishya of class 5th Jasmine. From category 3, Midini of class 7th. Divya of class 6th. Daksh of class 7th. From category 4, G. Prashant Kumar of class 10th. Sanjana Bagnal of class 10th. Thank you, dear Father, for doing the honors. May I request our principal, Reverend Father Jabamale, to honor Reverend Father Jojo with a shawl and a fruit basket.
The Cultural Championship for the academic year 2024-25 goes to Ruby House. My request the animators Steffi ma'am and Priyanka ma'am, member teachers of the house, along with Captain Shreya and Vice Captain Sharat, to come and receive the trophy. The runner-up house is Emerald. May I request the animators Sir Jimmy and Fetsia ma'am, member teachers of the house, to come along with Captain Alex Wilson and Vice Captain Navya to receive the trophy. The runner-up for the sports is Ruby House. May I request the animators Steffi ma'am and Priyanka ma'am, member teachers of the house, to come along with Captain Shreya and Vice Captain Sharat and physical education teachers to receive the trophy. The sports championship for the academic year 2024-25 goes to Emerald House. May I request the animators Sir Jimmy and Petsia ma'am, member teachers of the house, to come along with Captain Alex Wilson and Vice Captain Navya and physical education teachers to receive the trophy. Thank you, dear Father. May I request our chief guest, Sri Mahesh Malgati sir, to honor our principal, Reverend Father Jabamalai, with a shawl and a fruit basket.
Good evening, everybody. The President, Dr. Henry D'Souza, Guest of Honor, Mr. Rolf Sunil, Guest of Honor, Rakinathan, Father Jojo, the Principal Jabamalai, and both the junior and senior head girls and head boys, parents, and my dear students. ಫಾದರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನನಗೆ, ಸರ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದರು, ಒಂದು 2-3 ನಿಮಿಷ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಷಯ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. I personally congratulate management, all the teaching and non-teaching staff and all the students who have made this evening a beautiful one. Even though ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫೋರಿಯಾ 2024, ಇಫೋರಿಯಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್, ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷದ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳು ಈ ಒಂದು SFA ಶಾಲೆಯದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಾಗಿ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಒಂದು ಥೀಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು. ಥೀಮ್ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇದು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂದ ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 22 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ 2002ದಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ಅಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದಿ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್, ಈ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದರ ಹಾಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಥೀಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ SFA ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್, ಫೋಕ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಜುಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ಗಣಿತ, ಈ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ್ದು. ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಲಾವಣಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಲೇಜಿಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯಂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಸ್ಸಾಂಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಬಿಹು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಭಾಂಗ್ರಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಗೋವಾಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ದೇಖ್ನಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ಸ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಸ್, ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಥೀಮ್ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಅವನನ್ನು ನೋಡಲು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ನಮ್ಮದು ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಊರಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಈ ಥರಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಊರಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕೊಪ್ಪಳದಲ್ಲಿ ICSE ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಶಾಲೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ CBSE ಶಾಲೆ, ಸೈನಿಕ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಓದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವು ಎರಡರೂ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ICSE ಶಾಲೆ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ICSEಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ರಿಕಗ್ನೇಷನ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ರಿಕಗ್ನೇಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೊತ್ತು ಅವರು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡೀಪ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಈ ಒಂದು ICSE ಒಂದು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಶಾಲೆ ಇದು. ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಕಳೆದ 20 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೆಂಟೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ವಿವಿಧ ರಂಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಉನ್ನತ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ನಾವೊಂದು ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೋ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ 2024 ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ನಾನು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ಗೆ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್, ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಎಜುಕೇಟರ್, ವೆಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್. ಜಬಮಲೈ ಅವರು ನಾವು ಬಂದಾಗ ಫಾದರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಜೋಜಿ ಅವರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾನು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಕುಂತು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಮೋಟಿವ್ ಇರೋಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಯಾವುದೋ ಫ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿ ಥರ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. 2 to 3 years they are working in one school, again they are transferred to the other schools. Their motive is only to bring changes in the education. ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಮೋಟಿವಿಂದನೇ ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಆ ಕೆಲಸದಿಂದಲೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆ ಉನ್ನತ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಮರೆಯುವಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲಕರು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮುಂದೆ KS IAS ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೋದರೂ ಸಹ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪಾಸಾಗಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂಥದ್ದು. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಬಹಳ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದಂಥ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಶಬ್ದಗಳು ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತವೆ. ಒಂದು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಪನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಿಂದಲೇ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವರು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಈ ಮೂರು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವೇ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅವನ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರೆಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Our school has been recognized as one of the dynamic schools and received India School Merit Award on 10th December 2024. Recognized by Educational News Channel, India's premier educational news channel.
This honor was formally presented during 12th National Conference on K-12 Leadership and India School Merit Awards at Taj Hotel, International Airport, Bangalore. This badge of honor was possible under the able leadership of our respected principal, Reverend Father Jabamalai.
May I request our chief guest, Sir Mahesh Malgitti, sir, to hand over this award to the Principal Council. I request the principal, the manager and the members of Principal Council to come forward to receive it.
Smoothly and efficiently.
The efforts put by our mothers and annas.
I request our chief guest to hand over the mementos.
To begin with, Vishwasappa Budini,
Joseph Budini, Mehboob Saab, Gavisitappa, Suresh Budini,
G. Annaya,
Joseppa,
Gavisitappa,
Parveen Begum,
Papamma,
Hampawa,
Arogyamerri,
Nagaratna,
Kajavani,
Iramma,
Huligamma,
Vijayalakshmi,
Muttava,
Ratnamma,
Akshata Hanumantappa,
Iramma,
Sridevi,
Manjula, request our principal and Father Jojo to felicitate our chief guest with a memento as a token of love and vest the shawl as a token of admiration.
Nothing is more honorable than a grateful heart. Enter into his gates with thanksgiving and into his courts with praise. Be thankful unto him and bless his name.
A delightful evening to everyone present here. With great honor, I stand before you to propose the words of gratitude for being with us this evening.
On the recollection of so many great favors and blessings, we now, with a high sense of gratitude,
Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever.
let me extend the words of gratitude to the president of today's event, Right Reverend Dr. Henry D. Souza, the Bishop of Ballari, for your inspiring address and the beautiful Christmas message. Thank you, His Excellency.
I take this opportunity to place on record our sincere thanks to Shri Mahesh Malgitti, Assistant Commissioner, Koppal District, for being the chief guest of this colorful festivity. We are greatly encouraged by your gracious presence, indomitable spirit, and making us feel proud. Thank you, sir.
I deem it as my privilege to spell out the words of thanks to our guest of honor, Shri Raj Sunil, Senior Vice President Administration, Jindal Steelworks, for accepting our invitation in spite of your busy schedule. We unitedly thank you for your gracious presence with us this evening. Thank you, dear sir.
We acknowledge the valuable presence of Reverend Father Arokhinathan Lazarpilli, Director and Parish Priest of Bellari Arogyamata Shrine, for being a part of this grand event. Your eminent presence has made this event a memorable one. Thank you, dear Father.
It's joy for me to thank our school manager, Reverend Father Matthew Mamla, MSFS, for his constant and timely support and guidance for the betterment of our school. Thank you, dear Father.
I take this opportunity to express my gracious thanks to Reverend Father Jojo, Principal of SFS High School Koppal, for always being there for us and supporting us. Thank you, dear Father.
The wheels started rolling weeks ago for this mega event. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a wonderful mentor in our principal, Reverend Father Jabamalai. I take immense pleasure in thanking him for guiding and supporting us to make this event a great success. Thank you, dear Father.
I wish to thank Head Boy Asif, Head Girl Aditi, Junior Head Boy Abhinav, and Junior Head Girl Archie Saab on this occasion. Thank you, dear friends.